Hello kids. Let's learn 20 amazing words of letter P. Can you say them with me? Let's go. It is a game where we fit pieces together. What is this? Puzzle. Can you say it? Puzzle. P is for puzzle. It is a musical instrument with keys. What is this? Piano. Can you say it? Piano. P is for piano. They deliver letters to our homes. What is this? Postman. Can you say it? Postman. P is for postman. It is a vegetable used to make fries. What is this? Potato. Can you say it? Potato. P is for potato. It is a big orange vegetable used in Halloween. What is this? Pumpkin. Can you say it? Pumpkin. P is for pumpkin. It is a sweet yellow fruit with a crown. What is this? Pineapple. Can you say it? Pineapple. P is for pineapple. We use it to write with ink. What is this? Pen. Can you say it? Pen. P is for pen. We use it to paint pictures. What is this? Paintbrush. Can you say it? Paintbrush. P is for paintbrush. We use it to write. What is this? Pencil. Can you say it? Pencil. P is for pencil. We sleep on it. What is this? Pillow. Can you say it? Pillow. P is for pillow. It is a small baby dog. What is this? Puppy. Can you say it? Puppy. P is for puppy. It is a round food with cheese and toppings. What is this? Pizza. Can you say it? Pizza. P is for pizza. It is a farm animal that says oink. What is this? Pig. Can you say it? Pig. P is for pig. It is a bird that lives in cold places. What is this? Penguin. Can you say it? Penguin. P is for penguin. It is a colorful bird that can talk. What is this? Parrot. Can you say it? Parrot. P is for parrot. Peacock. Can you say it? Peacock. P is for peacock. They are black and white animals that eat bamboo. What is this? Panda. Can you say it? Panda. P is for panda. We eat food on it. What is this? Plate. Can you say it? Plate. P is for plate. It is a place with trees and swings. What is this? Park. Can you say it? Park. P is for park. They help keep us safe. What is this? Police. Can you say it? Police. P is for police. Great job! You learned so many new words today. Want to learn more fun words? Subscribe our channel for next video on letter Q.